Hi, I am Sabir from Tech Picture. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix for new PC and laptop install for new Windows not find a for SSD and HDD. So fix this issue. You go to restart and press the F2 and you open this BIOS setting. Open this BIOS setting, then you go to storage and this is disable. You click for AHCN and NVMe and yes, save this setting and apply again, apply change and OK. Save your customer's user setting, OK, and now restart and again boot. I think this is fine for USD and HDD hard disks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.